Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Ethereum by and large is exchanging at $1,902.55 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.11% in most recent 60 minutes. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. ETH by and large has a kind of all-out market cap of $228,961,225,546 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,609,153,933, which generally is genuinely huge. This basically makes Ethereum in every way that really matters, positioning it too in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum be truly worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Ethereum an especially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Will ETH cost truly outperform its record-breaking all things considered, high in an unpretentious way? These in every way that really matters are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the ETH cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $2,369.52. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to fundamentally be $2,293.20, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Besides, ETH can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $2,768.60 in a by and large enormous manner. Ethereum Value Estimate May 2023. The Ethereum value for May 2023 may truly arrive at any rate worth of $1,812.52, while the sort of greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $2,060.55 in a sort of large manner. The especially normal cost for ETH by and large is in a real sense anticipated to really reach $2,003.31 in May 2023, exhibiting how besides ETH can in every practical sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $2,768.60 in a fundamentally significant manner. Ethereum Value Conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to really be at around an essentially least of $1,967.06, which in a real sense is very critical. Ethereum cost can especially arrive at a truly limit of $2,140.68 with the really normal cost of $2,043.38 in USD. ETH Value Gauge July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to essentially arrive at a by and large least value worth of $2,009.28. So ETH generally has a really complete market cap of $228,961,225,546 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,609,153,933. All things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking, the ETH cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $2,242.85 with the truly normal cost around $2,104.68, or so they really thought. Ethereum Value Gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for Ethereum could generally stretch around $2,348.08, which in every practical sense is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in August 2023 generally is $2,051.37 with a typical cost of $2,146.77, which really is genuinely critical. ETH Value Estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Ethereum truly is supposed to truly arrive at a very least value worth of $2,094.31 in a very significant manner. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at a greatest cost of $2,455.42 with the sort of typical cost around $2,189.71 in a significant manner. ETH Value Estimate October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Ethereum generally is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at any rate value worth of $2,157.18, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $2,564.91 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $2,233.50, which is genuinely critical. ETH value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Ethereum really is supposed to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $2,205.11 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $2,676.58 with the kind of typical cost around $2,300.50, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. The cost of Ethereum especially is anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of $2,293.20 in December 2023. The ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,768.60 with the typical exchanging worth of $2,369.52 all through 2023, showing how certainly is Ethereum an especially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very huge. Ethereum fundamentally passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been certainly diminished by 1.53% in its ongoing worth, which basically is very critical, assuming we especially think about the genuinely current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, or so they especially thought. Ethereum essentially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, showing how ETH value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Ethereum sort of is supposed to by and large arrive at a truly least value worth of $2,205.11. The ETH basically is down to nearly 0.11% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past not many days. The coin could in every practical sense areas of strength for have, however, we don't generally believe that it would a beneficial resource in all things considered, momentary in a significant way. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the fundamentally current cost and for the most part beyond 30 days cost history, it basically is seen that Ethereum in every practical sense has expanded 1.183% in its worth, which all things considered is very huge. The sort of typical truly least cost for the month for the most part is $1,848.68, while certainly greatest truly normal cost basically was $1,880.04 in an unpretentious manner. This infers that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for commonly long haul, which sort of is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 17.11%, and the cost truly circled from an especially least kind of typical cost of $1,522.89 to truly most extreme, truly normal cost of $1,601.54 in the truly beyond 90 days, which by and large is very critical. And fundamentally most recent 4 months Ethereum especially has shown a developing pattern, or so they essentially thought. In this way, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, which explicitly is genuinely huge.